Helldivers 2 friend request not working in Crossplay. So there is a known issue with Helldivers 2. The developers are aware of it and are working on a fix, but it isn't a confirmed release date yet. In the meantime, here are a few things you can try. Number 1. Basic troubleshooting. Restart the game and your device, PC or PS5. Try sending a friend request multiple times, cancelling the previous one before sending a new one. Try crossplay off and again in the game's options menu. Number 2. Check your settings. Make sure both and your friend have matchmaking, privacy set to public and crossplay enabled. Number 3. Work around to play together. This isn't ideal, but you can still play together with some efforts. One person creates an open lobby on a less populated planet and difficulty try trivial, and the other person research for that specific lobby on the same planet and difficulty, and you might need to kick someone to make space if the lobby is full. If none of these solutions work, you can keep an eye on the Helldivers 2 official channels or forums for update on the fix, and you can also try reporting the issue to developers directly. So, if you think this video helped you, please subscribe to the channels. Thank you for watching.